Ever watched a video that just looked blurry and pixelated? You know, kind of like when you find a great movie, but it's streamed at the worst quality possible. There is nothing more frustrating. If you've been in that situation, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into powerful alternatives to Topaz Video Enhancer that will make your videos pop with incredible quality. Let's face it, who doesn't want their videos to look like they were shot by a professional? Whether for vlogs, business presentations, or simply capturing your kids' first steps, the quality matters. So, if you're ready to boost your video quality, stick around. We're going to uncover 7 top-notch tools that can replace Topaz Video Enhancer and make your video shine like never before. First up, we have UniConverter. This all-in-one video enhancement tool is really amazing. Imagine being able to upscale your video to a higher resolution using advanced AI models. Let's say you have a 720p video, and you want it to look crystal clear in 4K. UniConverter makes that happen. With a general denoiser feature, it clears out unwanted noise, making your video sound as good as it looks. Plus, it's user-friendly, so anyone can use it, whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out. Next up is Vmake AI Video Upscaler. What I love about this tool is that it supports upscaling videos all the way up to 8K resolution. Imagine your old family videos getting a new lease on life. With fast processing speeds and a friendly interface, it genuinely allows you to make those enhancements without any headaches. And for those of you working on multiple clips at once, Vmake has got your back with batch processing. Then, we can't forget about Adobe Premiere Pro. You've probably heard of it. It's a powerhouse in the editing world. With its advanced color grading capabilities and noise reduction features powered by Adobe Sensei, it's perfect for those looking to take their editing to the next level. And here's the kicker. Even if you're new, there are tons of tutorials out there to help you get the hang of things. Now let's talk about Final Cut Pro. If you're a Mac user, you're going to love this one. The automatic scene detection and advanced noise reduction work wonders for enhancing clarity. Plus, the magnetic timeline makes editing a breeze. Just drag and drop your clips, and let the software do its magic while you kick back and enjoy. Topaz Video Enhancer is another fantastic choice. With its AI-based enhancement features, you can automatically upscale to higher resolutions and enhance colors for vibrant visuals. The best part? It's straightforward to use. Just import your video, choose your options, and get ready to see your footage transformed into something eye-catching. And for those of you who love editing on the go, meet CapCut. This tool is totally mobile-friendly, allowing you to enhance your videos wherever you are. With intuitive features like advanced stabilization and automatic color correction, CapCut makes it easy for anyone to create stunning videos right from their phone. You can even export your videos in 4K. Finally, we have Video 2X, an open-source tool specializing in video upscaling. It uses advanced algorithms to improve video resolution significantly, even supporting multiple formats. Picture this: transforming your vintage footage into sharp, high-definition content everyone will love. It's a charming touch to modernize your favorite memories. Now that we've covered these fantastic alternatives, I genuinely want to create a community where we can share our experiences, learn from one another, and grow our skills together. Video creation can sometimes feel overwhelming, but knowing there's a space to ask questions and share tips makes a massive difference. So, let's motivate each other in this journey of enhancing our video content. Remember, your feedback is invaluable. I'm here to help improve the quality of this channel, and I want to create content that matters to you. If you have any suggestions or topics you want me to cover next, drop a comment below. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and make this space beneficial for everyone. As we wrap up today's video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your support. Your presence here means the world to me, and it motivates me to keep pushing for better video quality and content. Together, we can elevate our video making game and create something truly remarkable. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Happy filming, everyone.